Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are delicious and the food is immaculate. It's supposed to be the other way around, isn't it? Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the food is delicious and the vibes are just absolutely immaculate. My name is Yanni, and today we're making a Rasta Pasta. This is gonna be an easy, spicy, and creamy one-pot meal. It is giving succulent chicken, it is giving vibrant and vegetal, and most importantly, it is giving this iconic Caribbean-inspired jerk seasoning. Chefs on Cozymeal have been absolutely pounding the pavement to give you some of the most delicious and foolproof recipes on the planet. So you don't want to miss this. So what do you think? Shall we take a little trip to the Caribbean? I would love to also, but before we do, how about we hit that like button? Give a little tap. Hit subscribe and tap on that notification bell. We couldn't do what we do without a little love from you. That rhymed, didn't it? That was absolutely appalling. All right, guys, let's get cooking. We're gonna start with 2 chicken breasts cubed. Pop your pot onto the stove at medium heat and then add a little bit of olive oil. Add your chicken cubes, making sure not to stack them. If your pot is too small for that, do this step in batches. I'd rather every single piece of chicken makes nice contact with the pan with enough room between each piece for steam to escape. Leaving them with lots of room and lots of air encourages more flavor. Season them with a little salt and pepper. Add onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, red pepper flakes, ground cumin, cinnamon, and oregano to the pot. We're going to bloom these spices and herbs for a minute to develop some of these flavors. Add your sliced onion, and then add the bell peppers. The yellow, green, and red are tricolor bell peppers. Cook this all down until it's softened. Add in your box of pasta and cover with 4 cups of chicken broth. For the next 12 to 15 minutes, or whatever the package directions on your box say, it is absorbing all of this incredible flavor that we have built in this pot. Add 1 cup of heavy cream, stir it until it's combined. Give this a taste. If it needs more salt or pepper, this is gonna be your last chance to balance the dish with it. You don't wanna do this after you serve it, you wanna do it now when it has time to absorb into the food. Taste your food as you go, it's gonna make it 10 times better. Plate your delicious spicy pasta and garnish with scallions and cilantro and red pepper flakes. Garnishing your dish takes you from newbie to professional level really, really quick. Just look at how incredible this looks. Don't just take my word for it. Head to the description box below so you can find the full recipe, or you can head to cozymeal.com/recipes. Y'all, if you have not already, please make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe for more recipes like this one. Yeah! I don't know about you, but I am so excited to share what's next.